I knew that it was going to be something that could potentially transform the way I interacted with people and also the way I knew myself. And so it did deliver on that, but then it went a step further and I think brought me out of my comfort zone in a way that I wasn't expecting. I shared things with my team that I think took them by surprise, and they shared things that I think took them by surprise as well. And so there were a lot of great surprises. There was a lot around relationship management and conflict management and how to manage conflicts in a way that reaches a productive and positive end, and how to have difficult conversations in a constructive way, which is something that I think every manager and leader can struggle with at times. I would encourage anyone in the organization to take their teams through this workshop. I think you'll find out a lot about yourself and also about your team. I would summarize the Rejoiss workshop as a highly engaging, highly intense workshop that demands a lot of you and your team. It's truly a journey from start to finish. There is a method through each of the different modules that takes you through to the end, and each one has an important life lesson that you can take away.